How to replace a massage mechanism on a Human Touch Novo XT Pro with a serial number greater than RTXP1823XXXX or a Novo XT Pro SE. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, power drill with a flat head bit, 4mm Allen wrench, wire cutter, zip ties, and a marker. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. First, we'll remove the back cover. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 6 screws that secure the back cover, then remove the cover. Next, we'll remove the upper backrest. Disconnect the left and right speaker connectors. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the upper backrest. Unzip the top of the backrest pad from the upper backrest, then remove the upper backrest from the chair. Next, we'll detach the backrest frame. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws that secure the top of the backrest frame. Remove the upper, middle, and lower screws that secure the right-hand side of the backrest frame. Remove the upper, middle, and lower screws that secure the left-hand side of the backrest frame. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 2 screws on each side of the metal plate that runs across the top of the massage mechanism. Remove the metal plate. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen or remove the 2 screws that secure the white plastic massage mechanism strap bracket, then remove the bracket. Next, we'll disconnect the harness. Cut the zip tie that secures the 2 harness cables together at the top of the massage mechanism, then cut the zip tie that secures the harness to the upper horizontal mechanism frame. Cut the zip tie that secures the harness wiring to the mechanism frame near the round blue filter, then disconnect the blue connector. Cut the zip tie that secures the other harness cable to the mechanism frame in the same location. Cut the zip ties that secure the harness cables and connectors to the horizontal metal frame. Pull the connectors away from the mechanism, then disconnect them. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw that secures the ground wire to the mechanism. Be sure to retain the washer. Disengage the harness from the mechanism frame. Finally, we'll remove the massage mechanism. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 screws that secure the rolling motor to the mechanism frame. From the rear of the chair, tip the rolling motor toward you, then use a power drill with a flat head bit rotating clockwise to move the mechanism up the track. Lift the mechanism out of the track. Remove the 4 wheels from the mechanism. Now, let's replace it. First, we'll prepare the new massage mechanism for installation. Using a 4mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 screws that secure the rolling motor to the new mechanism frame. Mark the motor connectors from left to right with a YW for yellow, RD for red, BE for blue, and BK for black. Install the wheels from the old mechanism onto the new mechanism. Next, we'll install the massage mechanism. Lower the new mechanism into the track, with the massage arms facing the front of the chair. From the rear of the chair, tip the rolling motor towards you, then use a power drill with a flathead bit rotating counterclockwise to move the mechanism all the way down the track. The white plastic magnet should be positioned about 6 inches below the sensor. Replace and partially tighten the 4 screws that secure the rolling motor. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to finish tightening the screws. Place the massage mechanism strap bracket into position over the mechanism strap, then replace or tighten the 2 screws. Next, we'll connect the harness. Route the mechanism harness behind the upper horizontal mechanism frame. Install the ground wire loop onto the ground wire screw, followed by the washer, then replace the screw to secure the ground wire to the mechanism. Connect the mechanism connectors to the corresponding harness connectors, matching the colors you marked on the mechanism connectors to the harness connector colors. Bundle the connectors and cables and place them on top of the lower horizontal metal frame. Using a new zip tie, secure the left end of the bundle to the frame. Using a new zip tie, secure the middle of the bundle to the frame. Using a new zip tie and the small hole in the frame, secure the right end of the bundle to the frame. Cut the excess zip ties. Connect the small blue connector to the mechanism. Using a new zip tie and the upper small hole in the frame, secure the wiring near the round blue filter to the frame. Make sure the zip tie head is positioned to the side. Cut the excess zip tie. Using a new zip tie and the lower small hole in the frame, secure the other harness cable to the frame. Make sure the zip tie head is positioned to the side. Cut the excess zip tie. Using a new zip tie, secure the two harness cables together toward the top of the mechanism at the lower end of the blue tape. Cut the excess zip tie. Using a new zip tie, secure the massage mechanism harness at the upper end of the blue tape to the horizontal frame. Cut the excess zip tie. Next, we'll attach the backrest frame. Replace the metal plate with the tabs facing upward, then replace and hand tighten the 4 screws. Use a 4mm Allen wrench to tighten the screws. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace and partially tighten the 2 screws that secure the top of the backrest frame to the chair. Replace and partially tighten the 3 screws that secure the left-hand side of the backrest frame to the chair. Replace and partially tighten the 3 screws that secure the right-hand side of the backrest frame to the chair. Finish tightening the screws. Next, we'll replace the upper backrest. Note the horseshoe brackets on each side of the upper backrest. Note the corresponding posts on each side of the chair frame. Aligning the posts with the brackets, slide the upper backrest into position on the chair. Zip the top of the backrest pad to the upper backrest. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, replace the 2 screws to secure the upper backrest to the chair frame. Reconnect the speaker connectors on each side of the backrest. Finally, we'll replace the back cover. Note the 2 longer tabs on the lower edge of the back cover. Note the 2 corresponding slots on the chair. Slide the tabs into the slots and the back cover into position. Lower the back cover slightly to confirm that both tabs are installed in the slots. Replace and partially tighten the 6 screws to secure the back cover to the chair. Finish tightening the screws. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.